Okay, I don't have a ton of time to shoot a full video, but if you're installing a Lifestyle Offroad bumper, your sensors and the cable harness are going to go in the back of the bumper like this. This looks goofy. This is my license plate light. I've had it extended to be in my spare and unextended it, so on and so forth. But there is a pass-through for your wiring. You have a connection on each side if you have the backup sensors, which mine does. When you order the bumper, you need to make sure you tell us which bumper your truck came with so we know what retainer holes to cut out, but it will look like this. So what happens, here's the back of your frame. This goes right on the outside of the frame, and this nut slides right in there, and then you have a bolt that comes through and pinches it all together. All right, once you have the bumper on there and in place, you're gonna take the factory bumper bolts that go under here, and you're going to go ahead and install all 4 of those back, 2 on each side. So, looks like this side isn't lined up yet. Okay, if these bolts under here are being troublesome, you can install these first. They just go through the body mount, and then this will pinch it all together so that you can put these 2 in, and then this bolt here. Okay, so we have one side installed. You have the through bolt that is pinching the whole frame in the rear. This bolt alone will hold this entire bumper on very firmly. Then you have your 2 factory bolts, and then you have these 2 bolts through the body mount. So when you're done, you have 10 bolts holding this bumper on. So very stout, not going anywhere. Now, here is the trickiest part. This is your sensor on the passenger side. This one is for all the backup sensors. On the driver's side, all that wire does is connect your driver or license plate light. These, when they are unclipped, do not ever want to go back together. The only thing that we've found that helps is if you take some spray silicone and you just spray a little bit up in here. It's more than I wanted, but spray a little bit on there. Make sure your plug is clean. And you need this to click. I did not hear it click, but I can't pull it back out. So, go ahead and get those connected. And then slide this back up here. There you go. So I actually will come back with a zip tie and tie that up out of the way. I actually might have this backwards. I'll show you. Okay, I flipped this upside down so that the sensor is up like that. So it's nice and tucked out of the way. You can't see it. Excuse me for how dirty and gross my truck is. But, okay. So, that is all there is to it. You need to make sure those are plugged in. If you install any rear bumper, it doesn't matter if it's a Lifestyle Offroad, any brand. If you install it and your reverse sensors are not working, it is the passenger plug. If your license plate is not working, it is the driver's side plug. Doesn't matter what year Bronco, 2021 up, that is how it is. Excuse me, that is how it is. Spray a little tiny bit of silicone in there, get that to click together, give it a pull, make sure it won't come apart, and that is it. So, there is your Lifestyle Offroad rear bumper. Maybe that's better. Rear bumper install. I gotta wire my light back up. But there you go. Thank you all for watching.